see if we can get onto the road course. We're on. I think we're fucking. We're on the fucking road course. Gotta do a sighting lap. Make sure it doesn't crazy sticking out somewhere. This is so fucking cool. Man. I used to go to the NHRA drag races here from like young enough that my dad carried me in his arms here to the NHRA Nationals, top fuel dragsters and all that. And then I did one autocross in my BRZ on the road course, or like half of the road course. I can't believe I'm on the fucking dragster. Let's see, to get back onto the road course, you gotta go, yeah, through there, so that's not happening, but this is still open. Dude, look at the friggin' buildings. Oh shit, there's glass everywhere. Yeah, this is where the road course starts, or where the autocross started anyways. Check my tires. There's just cambered. Hope I didn't get a puncture. Yeah, I think the turnaround for the autocross is like right here. Yeah, but the actual road course kept going. Let me just check my tires real quick. Whatever. We're not gonna haul ass or anything. Look at that. I mean, that's just time, like, but that's like in 4 years. Like, how did it do all that in 4 years? This shit looks like it's as abandoned as like North Wilkesboro, but that shit took like 30 years. Well, maybe not. Maybe it looked like that for a while. bathrooms with the good old piss troughs. Look at the, like, everything is like video game abandoned, you know? Like, it's just, it's like the perfect, it's perfect. Like, everything is like exactly how you would like design something abandoned. It probably sounds stupid as hell, but everything's just so perfectly abandoned looking. I don't know how else to say it. Let's get back on the road course. It's so fun. Just keeps going straight. This is all banked too, so like you can just carry ridiculous speed. I guess we should check out this. Turn off. Oh yeah, this is where this is like the drag strip return road where they give you your time slip. And I think they did that for the autocross too. Give you your time slip there. Everything is just like exactly how you would imagine an abandoned racetrack. Like, all the windows are busted out, like everything's just like slightly sideways, like it's just the coolest fucking thing. Just like the way everything's like perfectly overgrown, like it's just the coolest fucking abandoned shit. It's like it was just literally some Thanos snap type shit, like everyone just suddenly disappeared. Look at all this like farmland off to this side of it. Yeah, I think I'll go back to the oval. Telephone down here. DVD case. No, it's a PlayStation case. Midnight Club. Midnight Club. Why is there a fucking copy of Midnight Club up here? Some motherfucker's shooting out here. So eerie yet peaceful.